why we had to stop on our way to church. Where did you come from? You silly goose. Biggest radish I've ever harvested. Harvested it on Thanksgiving morning. Sucker's huge. Look at that. Just can't believe how big it is. Look at this. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh. They look purple on the phone, but they're actually very blue looking. Wow. So freaking pretty. This door is about to fly open. What is going on out there? Like, I haven't been watching the Weather Channel, so I have no idea, but this is like really, really strong. And it almost looks like a twister. Like, it's super, super strong. Look at that. Guys, are you seriously just hanging out there? Like, they don't even care. They're like, whatever. I think I'm gonna, like, bring this cleaner. Get closer. So, bring this in. It's okay if it gets wet, like, but I don't want to leave it out there. Like this. This is a cable or cord. I don't want that plugged in outside. There we go. Yeah, but like, seriously, I just opened the door like a minute ago, and all I saw was this like tornado twister looking thing. It was really weird. I don't know. It's not scary, but it was a minute ago. It's just really windy. It's a thunderstorm. So it's not even that busy for a Saturday. There was like nobody there. It's called the Pipes. And then this is how you get there. Isn't this amazing? it's like this all the way back to the road, and the road is right next to my house. I didn't even know this was here. Kentucky, and look at the car already has all these little snowflake frost things on the window. Isn't that cool? Ooh, that's bumpy. Look at that. And now I'm going to say goodbye to this view for the last time. Goodbye, pretty view. Shut my windows all the way. Because every night I've loved this view, and because of that I've kept these windows open just to see it. But tonight I'm going to close them because in the morning I do not have to get up early, so I'm gonna do like the blackout thing. Alright, this is my view from my beautiful hotel room in Columbus, Ohio. Look at that. It's so pretty. Look at the Chase building over here, Key Bank, and the Capitol. It's called Capitol Square. I just love this view. So pretty.